All right, last but not least, the Tritton ax720s. Same test, same optical, same everything. Gonna blindfold myself and try to determine where that chicken is. Here we go. All right, he's definitely he is to the left. I'm gonna say left and a little bit behind me. Left behind. Definitely a hard left. I can't. He's not on the screen. Oh, there you have it. Left, and yeah, I'd say a little bit behind. So yeah, it's sounding about exactly where I thought he was. All right, let's try it again. All right, this time he is definitely in the front right. I'm going to say I can't. He's not on the screen. He's a little bit to the front of me, but hard right. Oh, wow. He is directly behind me, and a little bit to the right. So that's almost exactly the same problem we had with the Astros. He was directly behind me and a little bit to the right, and it sounded, to me, it sounded more like I would be like here. Like he was hard right, but not like that far directly behind me. All right. Let's try again. All right. He's right in the middle. I'll tell you if he's behind me or in front. I'm gonna say he's directly behind me. Directly behind me. There you have it. Almost the same. So the same thing goes for the 720s. It's a simulated surround sound. So the same thing applies to this set as goes for the Astros. There's almost no way of, if you're not looking at the screen, to determine whether or not somebody is behind you. You can't. You have no reference point. You have nothing to go off of, nothing to compare it to. Now, knowing he's in front of me now, if I put these headphones on and I spun around and heard him go past me to the left and then behind me, I would be able to tell you that he is behind me, in fact. But not having a reference point, I have no idea if that sound is coming from behind me or in front of me. I know it's in the middle somewhere, and it's one or the other. So if you're playing games, which, of course that's what you're doing, you should be able to like quickly determine whether or not something is coming from behind you because it's not on your screen. Now that I know he's in front of me, I'll spin around and tell you, and I'll get him to be in the back of me. Back, coming around the front again. He's in the front. Alright, now I would bet money on it that he is in back of me. For sure. Almost directly in the back. And there you have it. The chicken is, in fact, directly behind me. And that's because I was going off the fact that he was in front of me, and I just spun around twice, heard him go past me, heard him get louder as I was facing him, and then heard him go to the left of me, and then get a little quieter. So, you know, if you have a reference point, like I was saying, it's you can tell where somebody is, but not knowing anything, you know, where a sound is coming from at all, you would not be able to pinpoint that with the 720s or the Astros. I think the Pros and the 360s, once the 360s are calibrated correctly, you should have an easier time doing that. So, yeah, that's how I feel about it. Yeah, let's move on to something else.
Team deathmatch. Let's do this. It's a draw. Stand down.
Sine sweep from 20 kilohertz to 20 cycles.